from a car.
Oh, come look at the sun. It's setting and oh, isn't the sky beautiful with all that orange? It's going to be a good night to gather here on the lanai and sing our hearts out. Hey, call up Auntie and tell them to come down, bring the ukuleles and the instruments, come join us, and let's sit on the back steps and on our lanai and sing. It's a beautiful night to share a little island music and island hearts. We have Brother Nolan and his brother, Tony Conjugation.
Hey, aloha, brother. Hey, bro. This one is for the Big Island people, unplugged.
How was that?
Yeah. Brother Harold over there, champion mugger. Oh, never mind. Hey,
That's all right.
oh, never mind. Let's ride it.
Hua koina wala anu haka wale o e Hawaii la e liko holo ana me ko I o la e kolu e kui kolo ina la he au he wale o e Hawaii e o loli o kuana ni a o Hawaii la aloha I ka Hawaiian cowboy hatule Kila valeo maula e liko holo ana me ko I o la e kolu e kui polina la he au he valeo e kawahi o loli o kuana ni a o maui aloha I ka Hawaiian cowboy adule mai au I Honolulu la he mai au I kaina malini he kaua nei ka liu ka le poni ua papa mai ule hua la he baki liu ka la ko ka malini ai ta so ka golden gate aloha I ka Hawaiian cowboy ai na mai ka puana ai na mai ole le hua ka rose landi le lima Okay, we're going to do it backyard style. Everybody in here, put your hands together. Clap on beat now. All right, got it. Going for that last round up. The Waimea, Kamoela, the Kipu who rains in your face. Here we go. I'm heading for the last round up. I'll have a leo eke aloha velala. Malama kono vita menenela. E huana kamakani ule. Au hea valeo e kawahine o loli o puana ni a o Hawaii la. Aloha I ka Hawaiian cowboy. Haina mai ka puana ka puana. Haina mai o le hua. Rose landi leina o na le. Oh yeah! Yeah!
Hey, mahalo.
How are you?
I'm okay. Hi, Connies and Wahinis. Let me get out my backyard list here. Zoom in on this.
You know, this package stinks. Smell like you had mango seed inside and shoyu and vinegar. Where did you find that package? Did you have mango in
On
that
the
package?
floor. How about explain this next song? Let's do this one.
Oh,
Number
okay.
2.
Number 2. Okay. This song is a traditional song. And it's a favorite amongst hula dancers in the islands to dance. It's a song that talks about soft and supple cheeks on your face. And yo, get your mind out of the gutter. Anyway, it's a song called Papali na Lahi Lahi. And most times you hear it, it's like, hello, but Nolanized it. And this is how it goes now. My baby's got rosy cheeks. My baby's got rosy cheeks. Hey, aloha, ya, oh, la. To papa, la, la, ikaw o puro mo, ya, la. Ikaw ne o te dai. My baby's got rosy cheeks. My baby's got rosy cheeks. Hey, aloha, ya, oh, la. To papa, la, la, ikaw o puro mo, ya, la. Ikaw ne o ke kai. My baby's got rosy cheeks. My baby's got rosy cheeks. My turn. Hea hano ikaw la o ka alaviki ana mai. Ua ike ia no o ela a he pua o e ua ko ia. My baby's got rosy cheeks. My baby's got rosy cheeks. Hea hano ikaw la. Who's this? Osa alaviki ana mai. Ua ike ia no o ela. I pua oe ua ako ia. My baby's got rosy cheeks. My baby's got rosy cheeks. Aha, ve molele iala. Ama ate, apo o akahiu. Ahea, ano o ita ula. A o sapu ula le la le la le anamai. My baby's got rosy cheeks. My baby's got rosy cheeks. Haina. Haina mai kapuana la. Ko papalina la hila.
Yeah, that's always sound like me.
I don't want to. You know, kapuana la. Hey, aloha, ya, oe. My baby's got rosy cheeks. My baby's got rosy cheeks. Show 'em how. Na mai tapuana la. To papa na lai lai. Hai no tapuana la. Oh yeah. What a wonderful world. My baby's got rosy cheeks. My baby's got rosy cheeks. My baby's got rosy cheeks. Shoo-dee-ba-dee-da-dee-ba-dee-da-ba-ya. Oh, sure.
I know you don't want to look like me, but can't help it. Sometimes I walk in the store and they go, Tony. No, he's in.
That never happens to
He's in
me.
New York. Can't you tell? I'm the one with the tint.
Oh, with the frosted hair.
I'm the one that doesn't dye it.
Excuse me? I didn't dye my hair, okay? I don't dye my hair. Right, Ezio? Right? I get the
Nah.
white coming.
Not
through.
your fault, but your parents.
Yeah, you look like your father.